Hello, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Today is 21st of July, and this is the Europe session. And I think this is the second, third, no, first, second, yeah, this is a third time belt. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So with that, we move on to our live discussion. The data that's going to be out today, we don't have any data. The only data that was out was New Zealand, which was CPI quarter on quarter, and her forecast was zero point 0.6 but came out to be zero point 0.5, slightly uh, worse than expected. Then, as far as trades are concerned, we have uh, a few trades that's open. Okay, dollar yen. Okay, we have open at 47.95. Pound, we have a sell at 34.45, and it's losing about 15 pips. And euro sell at 30, and that's also losing about 20 pips. Then, as far as the trade that is closed is concerned, we have gold. We took a profit of $12, about $233, and dollar yen 48.30. It got stopped out. We lost about 60, and pound we are stopped out at 30 pips. Okay, so we have the current open position. So let's see what are the adjustments to be made and how can we further be in this trade. And also we are going to get this euro selling 11655 and Aussie selling at 65.20. So these are the key orders. So let's look at dollar yen first, or maybe euro first. Okay, we look at euro, pound, then dollar yen, then we'll see whether any adjustments to be made. So let's look at euro dollar. Okay, the euro dollar, uh, okay, so this is a 2 hour chart. Okay, 2 hour chart, which okay, let me clear this first. Okay, so we are looking at 4 hours. This should end in another 10 minutes. Okay, and I don't think we should see the price going above this level, unless this market has, the sentiment has changed. So looking at this, so let's say we go on the daily. Okay, daily also seems to be the price showing some strength. So what we will do is we would try to adjust these levels, because we have a selling order. Okay, we have a selling order at 11655. So we need to do some adjustments. Then we would see how we can play this game. Okay, so overall, I think looking at this, we should not see the price going above 60 or 65. Okay, I think that should be the level, because right now we are already seeing overbought, oversold. So what we need to do is, the adjustments we need to do is, we have to raise this top to 70, maybe 10 pips higher. Then the 65, okay, we will put in as 685. Then we would go for another entry. Okay, another entry. Either we can increase this volume, or we can go for another entry at 80. Okay, so what we are going to do now is, we are let me adjust this price. Okay, why is this cursor? Okay, so this one, we are going to raise it to 60, and this top 95. Okay, raise it by another 5 more pips. Then the other one, the stop, we have raised by another 10 pips. Then we would go for another sell. Okay, we'll go for another sell at 80. Always remember, we'll try to get one trade, and once we get into the trade, and once we are in the right track, we would go for that trade, hold and add on. Okay, so that one, I think the 80, we may want to increase the volume to half lot, and this one we will try to go for a 10 pips stop. So this is a day sell again. Okay, so we are going for another entry, which is at 11680. Stop only 25 pips and TP at about 70 pips, and this is half lot, and this is a day sell. So that's the changes we have done based on the current situation where it's trading and how we are looking for. The next adjustments we need to do is the pound. So right now we are having a stop at 80. So I remember we got a stopped out one. So we are going for a re-entry for that stop which we have incurred. So let's look at this. And this is also in a similar situation. So meaning to say that we should see the price heading towards 70, and as far as the day is concerned, we should see the price somewhere near 35.05. Okay, 35.05, and we should not see the price going above that level. So today is an up day, so tomorrow might be the down day which we are expecting. So we have another order selling at 35.05. So that one, let it be. Then this stop loss which we have at 80, we may want to raise it by another 10 pips. Okay, another 10 pips, let it be. Then we will go for another sell at 80. Then we will go for a second entry. Okay, because we already got a stopped out on this trade. So we are going for another sell, which is at, we will go for maybe half lot, then sell at 80 and stop at 35.10, and this is 34. then about 70 pips today. Then this is a day sell. Okay, day sell, second entry. Okay, day sell, second entry. uh, Let me see, okay, so we have another order on the pound, which is half lot selling, and stop at 30 pips, TP at 70 pips, and this is second entry on the day sell. Now let's look at the dollar yen. Okay, the dollar yen, we are going to see okay, right now we are seeing the price trading near the open. Okay, remember we have a weekly buy. Okay, weekly buy at weekly day buy. Okay, the weekly buy for dollar yen is 147.50. Okay, we have a 147.50. So what we can do is that one we can lower it to 146.95. Then this 147.50 we can go for as a day buy. Okay, day buy. So let's go and change that. That's the change we need to do for the dollar yen. 46.95, 46.55. So this becomes a weekly low, and now we are going to go for a day low or day buy, second entry. Okay, so for this we need to lower this stop to 45. 45. Then we got another buy. $47.5, $47.20. Okay, so this is a day buy, second entry. So here we have done the adjustments. We are going for a one more buy on the dollar yen on the day entry. So this is going to be buying at 47.5, stop at 47.20, and of course the TP I will be adjusting it on the next session. So these three, I think we have already made the necessary changes. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, so we have made the changes for this currency. So now let's quickly run through, and the gold profit, I think we got to go for a re-entry again because we already taken a profit on the gold. So other than that, we don't have any levels of change. So here we have Aussie is only 10 pips away we are looking for. So probably we may want to cancel this, then we'll go for the 65.30 as a day sell order. So now finally let's look into the gold. Gold right now, this is trading at 65, 65 half. So we are expecting today's target to go around 85. So let's see that and make the changes for the gold US. Gold US, we have seen, okay, we have seen okay, we have seen the, I don't think we have seen the high yet, okay, because we still need to see one more push high. So here, looking at the 2 hours, which has just started about 1 hour ago. So now we are looking at a target of 75. Okay, we are looking at a target of 75. So now we need to go for a re-entry again. So the re-entry, we can go for two types of re-entry. One is buying at 60, this is where we took our profit. Then another one, we can go for another entry buy at let me see, just give me a minute. I'm not able to get this thing right. Okay. Another entries buy at 55. So we can go for two trades. One is buying at 60, stop at 56 or 54. Okay, let's double check on the stop loss. Okay, let's say we change it to a 2 hour chart. Okay, we will put it as 54 half. Okay, 54 half. Another one at the stop at 49 half or 50. So we have two types of entry. Re-entry for gold. Okay, we have a 48. That one we will change it to uh, 55. Okay, 55. Stop 49 half and TP at 75. Okay, so this is one trade which we are going for a day buy. Okay, we have revised it to slightly higher. Then we would go for another buy on the gold US, gold US. This is buying at 60. Okay, buying at 60, stop at 54 half and TP at 74 or 75. And this one expiry we will give until 23 So 23 minus 5 is about 18. 18, so maybe slightly lower, 16, because 18 will be doing another session. So 16 or 15, okay, 15, we'll put it as 15. So we have two entries for gold. We already taken one profit. Remember, we have already taken one profit, so now we are going for a re-entry. So we would go for the price, and probably the 75 might be the day high, so we may want to go for a sell around that level, but let's wait for the next session. I think that's about it. We don't have to make any other changes. The rest of the changes are good to go, and we would wait to see. Before we go up, let's see quickly on. Okay, euro. I think we have already got a second entry, so I think we don't have any scalping entry. So I think the scalping entry, we don't have much. Only the gold buying at 60. The rest of the scalping all are cancelled yet. I mean, are cancelled. So we would want, either we can go for another sell, but I think as it is, today is being Monday, we don't want to get so aggressive. So let's see how these levels are getting in, and let's see how it can be worked out. Okay, I think that's about it. So we have three trades open, and the rest we have some more orders working. So let's see, and I'll see you again at another 4 hours 15 minutes to do the changes and any revisions which we are able to see. Okay, I think that's about it. uh, I'll see you all again in another 4 hours 15 minutes to do the changes, and at that time we will be doing live trades, and that would be a focus trading, so we should be able to trade during that time. Okay. Okay.